Welcome to the definitive masterclass on Heatseeker Pro. If you've been looking for a way to see the market through the eyes of institutions, you're in the right place. Today, we're spending 10 minutes breaking down every detail of this powerful tool. Most retail traders are fighting a losing battle. They're looking at lagging indicators, while institutions are moving billions based on real-time positioning. Heatseeker was designed to bridge that gap. The core philosophy here is dealer positioning. It's not about where price has been, it's about where the big money is forced to hedge their risk. This creates predictable magnets and walls in the market. Market makers don't trade like you. They provide liquidity and manage delta. By understanding where their pain points are, we can identify exactly where price is likely to find friction or acceleration. Let's dive into the map itself. At first glance, it looks like a complex array of colors, but there's a very specific logic to it. We use two primary types of nodes to understand these market forces. First, we have the yellow nodes, or picas. These represent areas of high gamma where dealers are positioned to absorb volatility. They act like magnetic pillows, slowing down the price action as it enters these zones. When price approaches a large pica node, it's often a signal to look for a pin or a reversal. These are the areas where the market is most stable, and chasing a breakout through a heavy yellow zone is often a recipe for a fakeout. Then we have the purple nodes, known as Barneys. These are the opposite of picas. These zones signify areas where dealer positioning amplifies movement. If price catches speed into a Barney zone, expect a fast directional run. Barney zones are your volatility engines. For momentum traders, these are the go signals. For risk managers, these are the areas to tighten your stops or wait for the dust to settle before entering a new position. Every node on the map is either a wall or a magnet. The strength of that pull is determined by the absolute value of the node. Heatseeker updates these values every 15 seconds, giving you a dynamic view of institutional shifts. Now, the king node. This is the most significant level on your chart. It represents the ultimate target where market makers would prefer to see the price settle. In our experience, it's one of the most accurate directional signals available. If you see a strong drive toward the king node early in the session, you have your bias. It acts as a primary destination, and price will often pin or reject within a few points of this critical level. Heatseeker is also incredible for range definition. It identifies the consistent reversal points, allowing you to fade the edges of the market rather than getting chopped up in the middle where risk to reward is poor. By marking these horizontal lines based on the strongest nodes, you create a clear roadmap. You know exactly where to expect support and where to look for resistance before the move even happens. Don't forget the gatekeeper nodes. These are your early warning signals. A rejection at a gatekeeper level often precedes a massive directional shift or a complete reshuffling of the institutional map. When the map reshuffles, the institutional landscape has changed. Heatseeker allows you to see this flow in real time, helping you stay on the right side of the momentum as the big players reposition. We want to be clear. Heatseeker is not a get-rich-quick indicator. It's a sophisticated tool that requires context and patience. It takes time to learn how to read the flow, but once you do, the market becomes much clearer. The community is a huge part of the value. With Heatseeker Pro, you get access to a private Discord where professional analysts provide live map updates and help you decode complex sessions as they unfold. Access is managed through the WAP Marketplace, making it easy to handle your subscription, premium alerts, and community access all in one place. It's institutional-grade tech delivered in a retail-friendly package. The verdict? With an accuracy rate around 80%, Heatseeker Pro is one of the most reliable context-providing tools we've ever reviewed. It's built for those who want to understand why the market moves. If you're ready to take your trading to the institutional level, check the link in our description. Use our exclusive promo code SCOUT on WAP for a discount on your first month. Thanks for joining this 10-minute masterclass on Product Scout Hub. Subscribe for more deep dives, and we'll see you on the next map. Happy trading!